Good afternoon to all of you. Myself Vijay Suralkar, Deputy Director, Director of Insurance, Finance Department, Maharashtra State Government. Our software developer is MyOnline Limited. So our name of project, Director of Insurance, and our director is Mr. H.M. Deshpande. Director of Insurance is the department handled by under direct control of Finance Government of Maharashtra. So, agenda of our all development project is overview of project. All these points have been enumerated later on. Sir, overview of project. Director of Insurance, the Government Insurance Fund (GIF) as centralized unit providing insurance services was started as a result of suggestions made by the Public Accounts Committee in 1951, and primarily to cater the general insurance needs of the state government undertakings and state government departments, wherever the government is having their direct stake in the process of the workings. Now the online applications, submission of insurance policies, proposal form. Sir, one more thing I want to clarify that the Director of Insurance is the only office which is situated at Mumbai, and it is providing the services to all government departments throughout the nooks and corners of Maharashtra state, and that the single administrative unit is working and it is providing the services to all the state government departments. So for that purpose, online application was started, and online submission of insurance policies, proposal form, online premium calculation, payment, digitally signed policy schedules has been issued by this department after implementation of this software program, and this is the only department in among many of the insurance companies which is providing digitally signed policies to its customers. So various endorsement, co-insurance, reinsurance arrangement is also automated and system generated. System procedures, system produces various MIS reports that are ingredients for the actual budgetary requirements for the financial analysis. Various government departments which are our beneficiaries are various government departments. Online application for insurance policies instead of tedious manual process to all government departments. Online tracking of application is possible. Status through SMS, email, and single click of mouse can be obtained. DOI officials are also getting benefited due to this program. This system has empowered the department to provide facilities for efficient delivery of services. Online premium calculation, MIS report generation has been facilitated. Then surveyors, the surveyor appointed is auto-generated system. Due to this system, the transparency is being acquired, and quick access for surveys online instead of manual process is being achieved. Business process re-engineering has been become possible due to software development program. Online generation of digitally signed insurance policy schedule. Auto-generated SMS and emails is sent to insured for tracking application status. Gross payment integration for online transfer to the government of Maharashtra. The virtual site of virtual treasury is utilized for gross payment of the funds. Gross payment integration of online transfer to the government of Maharashtra. Online data accessibility to department. Metadata, data entry and scanning of old policies and claim papers. Then capacity building. This is the flow chart. Implementation agency. Then DOI officials and Mumbai. And then the users are the different government departments, semi-government departments, municipal corporation, Jilla Parishad and statutory bodies, etc. Then how the management has been changed due to this software development, change management, changes notification, discussion with implementation agency, changes documentation, UAT on test environment, deployment on live server and implementation on support. Hosted at DOI application is hosted at Maharashtra State Development Data Center, Maharashtra State Data Center, that is MSDC, and IPR is intellectual property rights lies with Director of Insurance, Mumbai. Project sustainability. Project can function independently once project closure. The required user training material, that is user manual and user training, are provided. The support is being provided by MyOnline. The evidence of project success is that successful online policies near about, as on present, 62,000 policies have been issued online, that too with digitally signed signatures. After atomization, the picture of our office has been changed like this. On your left hand side, it was the typical government office, and on your right hand side, it is the new modernized office of government of Maharashtra. Time required for processing has remarkably reduced. Managing and retrieval of data at ease. Transformation of business process has increased drastically. Major achievements of project. The application was inaugurated on 1st May 2013 on the occasion of Maharashtra Day by Honorable Chief Secretary of Maharashtra State, Sri Jayant Kumar Bhatia, for the benefit of insureds. This is the total overview of our project. Thank you, sir. Thanks to all. Yes. Yes.
What is the ratio percentage of paperless work is started after this?
It is up to 60% now. Yes.
Still 40% are with paper.
Yes, yes.
It's okay.
Because the peoples are not utilizing internet and all computer facilities till date.
Awareness is still required.
Computer awareness is still required.